Hi, boys and girls. I'm here with Mama Echo. We haven't seen Mama Echo in a while. Where you been, girl? She's just been hanging out, I guess. So we are going to do some Echo review. So we're going to review all of our glued sounds that we learned yesterday and the ones that we have learned before yesterday. And then we're going to do some review on our trick words. Now, we have learned a lot of trick words, so I don't know if I'm going to make it through the whole pile, but we will see. So for the glued sound review, I will, listen carefully because we're going to do this two different ways. So for the glued sound review, I am going to hold up a card, and just like normal, I will say the glued sound, the picture it goes with, and then the sound that it makes. When I hold up Mama Echo, that means it's your turn. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll just put it up here. A-N-G, fang, ang. And let me actually put Mama Echo on this one. Okay, let's try that again. Ooh, I'm on the struggle bus. Okay. A-N-G, fang, ang. Your turn. Good. Let's do another one. U-N-G, lung, ung. Your turn. Good job. I-N-G, ring, ing. Your turn. Awesome. O-N-G, song, ong. Your turn. Awesome. A-N, fan, an. Your turn. A-M, ham, am. Your turn. Awesome job. Now, we're going to just go through them quickly. So I'm going to flash the card to you, and we are just going, instead of saying the letter, we're just going to say the sound that it makes. So, for example, it'd go like this, ang. Okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Ang. Say it with me. Ung. Ing. Ong. An. Am. Awesome. Okay, I said we were going to do something a little bit different with the trick words. So this time I am going to show you, I'll put a trick word up and let's see if we can just, can you guys see that? Maybe I'll just hold it. I'm going to hold up a trick word, but this time I'm going to hold up baby Mama Echo first because I want you guys to say the word first and then I will say it and you can make sure, listen to how I say it and see if you got it right or not. So you're going to say the word first, and then I will say the word. Are you ready? Okay, so here's Mama Echo. Mama Echo, are you ready? Let's turn on her magic ears, because remember, she can hear you at home if you're doing this or not. Okay, so you say this word first. Who? Was. And. Baby Mama, or Mama Echo, how are they doing? Are they participating? Oh, she told me only a few of you are doing this. Remember, I need all of you to participate, so make sure you say the word before me. To. The. Said. From. Have. Were. Oop, oop, oop. Oh, here we go. When. What. They. Into. A of 1 R. Okay, boys and girls, how'd they do, Mama Echo? Yeah, okay. She said you guys did okay. She wants to hear more of you participating tomorrow. Okay, so you have just a quick review activity where I want to hear you saying these words to me, and then you can go to the next Foundations assignment, which is going to be word building. All right, bye guys.